A posto.
Non volevo farlo
No,
apposta.
mi hai colpito, a posto.
Devi sempre aspettare che... Proviamo di nuovo.
Assolutamente identico.
Dopo se ti spacco i denti facciamo la mia canzone che vincerò il Festival di Sanremo. Go perso la dentiera. È un pezzo famoso.
La canterò Gabriela.
Prima o poi stai attento. Ecco, così è più meglio.
Sì, dai.
Ok, un applauso!
Grazie.
Lately I've been wondering what's been going on. I've been here before but I don't remember when. And every time we get to where we're entering, I feel my beliefs and hopes are entering. But I know I'll be coming home soon. And yes, I know I'll be coming home soon. 'Cause like the enemies that we are battling, I am nothing but a human alien, left with nothing else but to keep wandering down this battle, stopping my arms trembling. Because I know that I'll be coming home soon. Yes, I know I'll be coming home soon. With a soldier's eyes, with a soldier's eyes, with a soldier's eyes, with a soldier's eyes. I've seen inside the devil dreams we am and die. And graveyards open up the arm for mother left to cry. I have seen the bleeding, and I hate what we've done. And just like every other fool, I'll keep marching on. Because I know that I'll be coming home soon. Yes, I know I'll be coming home soon. With a soldier's eyes, with a soldier's eyes, with a soldier's eyes, with a soldier's